In activity 3.10, I'll demonstrate filtering data by selection of one field. So with the student major change form open and the student table as the underlying database, click in major ID, Control F 339, and let's find the next student that's the major ID of 339. Now notice it's record 47 of 102. Now in the Home tab, Sort and Filter, click Selection, and notice that we have four options here: equals, does not equal, contains, does not contain. Let's select equals 339, and notice that the toggle filter is now highlighted, and we know we have a filter, an active filter, and our record count is 1 of 7. So if we click through here, we'll see different student names, but all with the same major ID number, 7 of 7. Now a filter, it's different than a query in that it's usually intended to be short-lived. It's not something you save off with a name, but it allows you to select or down select to a subset of records. Note when I toggle the filter off, I go back to 102 records. Now let's say we wanted to find everybody with the last name starting with B. With my filter toggled off, I can select just the first letter of the last name. Go to Selection, begins with B, and wait for a minute while it scans the database, and it turns out we have 8 people in the database whose last name begins with B. Okay, and that gives you an example of how to work with filtering data by selection of one field.